Hello, English learner. Welcome to Learn Master English channel, a channel for learning Master English fast and efficient. In this video, we will learn how to improve English. The story. The Brave Boy and the Tiger. In a small village on the edge of a vast jungle, there lived a boy named Rohan. He was small for his age, but quick and full of courage. The villagers often warned him to stay close to home, for deep in the jungle lived a fearsome tiger, one so large and powerful that even the strongest hunters feared to face it. But Rohan was not afraid. He had always dreamed of becoming a great warrior like his father, who had once fought off a pack of wild wolves to protect their village. One evening, as the sun dipped behind the trees and painted the sky in hues of orange and purple, Rohan heard a scream from the jungle. It was a cry for help. Without hesitation, he grabbed his wooden spear and ran toward the sound. As he pushed through the thick foliage, he saw a young goat trapped between two rocks, its legs shaking with fear. But before Rohan could reach it, the bushes rustled, and from the shadows emerged the tiger. Its golden eyes glowed in the fading light, muscles rippling beneath its striped fur. It let out a deep growl, its sharp teeth bared. Rohan's heart pounded. He knew running would do no good and the tiger was faster. He had only one choice: to fight. He gripped his spear tightly, remembering the lessons his father had taught him. A warrior does not fight with strength alone, his father had said. He fights with his mind. As the tiger pounced, Rohan dodged swiftly, rolling to the side just in time. The beast's claws slashed the air where he had stood just moments ago. Thinking quickly, Rohan grabbed a handful of dirt and flung it at the tiger's eyes. The great beast roared, momentarily blinded. Seizing the chance, Rohan climbed a nearby tree, his small hands gripping the rough bark. The tiger shook its head, its vision clearing. It circled the tree, growling in frustration. Rohan knew he couldn't stay up there forever. He needed a plan. Then he spotted something, a loose vine hanging just above the tiger's head. An idea sparked in his mind. Carefully, he inched out onto a low-hanging branch, gripping the vine. As the tiger leaped at him, he swung down with all his might, landing on its back. The tiger roared in fury, thrashing and bucking to throw him off, but Rohan held tight, wrapping his arms around the beast's neck. He knew he couldn't defeat the tiger with strength, but he could outsmart it. With one swift motion, he looped the vine around the tiger's muzzle, pulling it tight. The tiger, unable to bite, growled in frustration. Slowly, its wild thrashing stopped. It realized that the little boy had won. Panting, Rohan slid off the tiger's back. He did not want to harm the creature, only to stop it from hurting others. He looked into its golden eyes and whispered, "Go, leave the village in peace." As if understanding, the tiger let out one last growl before turning and vanishing into the jungle. Rohan returned to the village a hero. The people cheered, and his father beamed with pride. "You have the heart of a warrior," he said, placing a hand on his son's shoulder. But Rohan only smiled, looking back at the jungle where the tiger had disappeared. He knew that true bravery was not just about fighting, but about knowing when to show mercy. And from that day on, the tiger never troubled the village again. The jungle had met its match, not in strength, but in courage. The lesson from the story are, courage is not about size, but about heart. Rohan was small, but his bravery and intelligence helped him face a powerful tiger. Use your mind, not just strength. Instead of fighting with pure force, Rohan used strategy and quick thinking to outsmart the tiger. Mercy is a sign of true strength. Even after winning, Rohan chose not to harm the tiger. Instead, he let it go, showing that true warriors know when to show kindness. Bravery is about protecting others. Rohan risked his life to save a helpless animal and protect his village, proving that real heroes think beyond themselves, respect nature and its creatures. The tiger wasn't just a villain, it was a creature of the wild. By letting it go, Rohan ensured peace between the jungle and the village. This story teaches that true bravery is not about fighting for the sake of winning, but about wisdom, compassion, and protecting those in need. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you find this video helpful and you can master English quickly. If you more about English learning tips and up-to-date English learning video tips, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more English learning tips, and we will put new great content every single day. And don't forget to give thumbs up and comment below. If have some question, see you on the next video.